Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a few grocery hauls and a meal plan and some of the recipes put together to share with you. So come along with me today. There are times I meal plan very differently. I'll open my fridge, see what we have, and create a menu off of that. But I already had an idea of meals that I wanted to make, some recipes I've already seen in some cookbooks, and this is the list that I came up with. I will also open the notes section of my phone, put in recipes that I have seen in cookbooks. I'll leave the name of the recipe, the cookbook that it's in, and the page that it's on. This is Smith's Marketplace, and I grabbed their garlic herb colossal chicken. This is going to be for dinner tonight. Oh, it smells amazing. So we're going to have some chicken. I grabbed 2 packages of the hot Italian. These were on sale. I'm going to be making my gravy, my Sunday gravy. I do have a video on that, so I needed some hot sausage. And then I grabbed some leg quarters. Same with this flank steak. I grabbed a big one for the freezer meal and for a stir fry. So I grabbed a big bag of the Oriental stir fry. And then I needed some tamari sauce. And so now that I bought this, it's like, how often am I going to use this? It's not something that I normally use. So I'll be looking up recipes to use this sauce up. I grabbed a bottle of soy sauce. We were all out. Usually I grab the big guy from Costco. So I grabbed the big colossal, the big Clausen pickles. I love these. Love those. And I needed ginger. So I am going to try something new. I'm going to try the squeeze ginger. And see how we like it for a few recipes. I grabbed some cooked shrimp, peeled tail on, and they're frozen, so we're gonna have a few recipes with this, with pasta and tacos. Some frozen green beans. I grabbed some green peppers, 4 of them. Bananas. I grabbed some smaller ones this time. I think those are perfect. 2 bags of the Pizza Blend shredded cheese. This is the Kroger brand. This was on sale for homemade pizzas. And for a recipe, I grabbed some Parmesan cheese to grate, and we'll also use this in other recipes. The Grandma Sycamore bread was on sale for $1.99. What? Yeah, I grabbed 4 of those. Jonah loves this bread. I grabbed some xanthan for a few recipes. It's a thickening agent and it's gluten-free. And then I grabbed the petite medley potatoes for a few dishes. This will probably make 1 home fried dish. So we'll see how far that goes. Some Italian gnocchi. I love gnocchi. Oh my goodness, I found a really yummy recipe for this. And then some mandarin oranges. My kids love these. Love these. They don't last long in our house at all. Some dark brown sugar. I got the small box just for this recipe that I need. I don't use a lot of it unless we get close to the holidays and if there is a recipe that calls for dark brown sugar. A big bag of Fiji apples, and then large eggs. I grabbed 2 of those, 18 count. And then I grabbed a rolling pin because if you guys watched my lunch freezer meal video, my roller pin is gone, so I grabbed one. Derek loves the noodle soup when not feeling well, this one from Limpton, so I grabbed a box. Cucumbers. I grabbed some beautiful cucumbers. My family loves them with dressing on it. We'll just eat those like that. I'm trying the Kroger onion soup mix instead of the Limpton. These were $1 a box, so I grabbed 2. And then some jasmine rice and green onions, milk, some rotini pasta, and the orchetti, which is like what we make. My family makes the strushies. And so for the Sunday gravy. And I'll also be making a dinner for my friend who just got in a car accident. Oh, so sad. She has to have surgery on her arm. And so I'm going to be making her my Italian gravy with the orchetti. I don't think she's ever had it, so that'll be a yummy comfort meal. I think that's it, you guys. And this is my grocery haul. Well, now I'm going to share with you my Walmart pickup haul. Oh, I love doing it this way. It's so much easier. So I grabbed 2 gallons of milk, and then 2 bags of romaine lettuce, 2 4-pound bags of chicken thighs, 2 4 bags of chicken drumsticks, 2 3-pound bags of chicken breast tenderloins. I'd rather work with a tenderloin than a breast. I don't know why, I just would. and a bag of chicken leg quarters. And that's a 10-pound bag. This was actually a twin pack of the salted butter, and then 2 of the unsalted butter. I like to bake with unsalted butter because you're already adding salt to it. And some toilet paper. So I grabbed the 12 mega ultra soft toilet paper. And yeah, so this is my Walmart pickup haul. Here is the Costco haul. Okay, I got some cocktail cucumbers. These are so yummy to snack on. Some avocados, celery, some spaghetti. We needed batteries, double A's. A plum cot. It's part plum, part apricot. Oh my goodness, these are good. These are so good. Okay, I got a chocolate cake. It's chocolate cake filled with chocolate mousse. We are going to be celebrating something really special here. We got 6 pounds of, it's 6 pounds of ground beef because we're out of our ground beef from our cow, and our cow's coming in a little while. So I grabbed 6 pounds of that. That's basically 3 meals for us. Some eggs. These are the omega-3 cage-free eggs, 2 of those. Some of the Spirilla minis. So we have prosciutto, saporesta, prosciutto, wrapped in cheese. This is really good for Derek, so he'll be happy to have more of those. The soft and chewy granola bars. Kids love these. The Dole pineapple, peach, and mango cups. That's different. They'll like that in their lunch. Some egg thins for Derek with cauliflower, like a crepe. These bowls were on sale for like $8.99. 4-piece bowls. Oh my gosh, they look perfect. I need more serving bowls. The Nature's Bakery fake granola bars. The kids love these. Haven't bought them all summer. Raspberry, blueberry, and original fig. Granola from Almonds Gold. Almonds, honey, pecan, sunflower seeds, coconut, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. Yum. Toasted coconut almond. Yum, yum, yum. Some pre-cooked bacon. It's easier for Derek and Jonah in the morning. And then when we have regular bacon, we cook it up, put it in the refrigerator. Some cauliflower. The Adele's pineapple and bacon smoked chicken sausages. Those are so good. Teton Polish sausage. That's really good. And then a watermelon. And then this is a golden honeydew melon. And then, oh, this milk is not from Costco, it's from Walmart. And then Harvest 3-piece bowl set. This is beautiful. Goes big, middle, littlest. And yeah, they're gorgeous, gorgeous. So you'll see me using these in future videos. They're beautiful. So all right, this is my Costco grocery haul. Let's go on to Walmart, and that is the gallon of milk. I needed potatoes, basil, garlic. I needed just arugula, but they had baby arugula and baby spinach, so I'll grab the arugula out for my watermelon salad. Raisins, a little half-gallon of the Lactaid for Jonah, some cutie oranges for their lunch, a kale salad for Derek. You can get this, a big bag of this at Costco, but I'm glad that Walmart carries the small one. It has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. He doesn't eat it with the dressing. And I just grabbed me some iced drinks. I love these. Black raspberry, strawberry watermelon, and pink grapefruit. So the menu for the next week, week and a half to 2 weeks is chicken orzo soup, homemade quick rolls, chopped salad, Mongolian beef and green beans, barbecued leg quarters, watermelon salad, chicken Caesar salad, shrimp tacos, guacamole, meatloaf, homemade pizza, and French onion chicken. So I bought the whole roasted chicken earlier in the day. So to heat it up, all I did was put it in a baking dish, covered it with aluminum foil, popped it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and it came out piping hot and still juicy. We had it this night with some of the leftover macaroni and cheese that I had made a freezer meal out of, and I'll leave a link to that video down below. And then also another night we had a freezer meal, which was the French onion chicken. I do have that on a dinner freezer meal video. I'll also link that down below. And we had it over rice and a veggie medley. Okay, I made my quick homemade rolls. I'll leave a link to the video down below. It is so easy. These will just rise for about an hour. My soup is still going. So these will be done when the soup is done. Seriously, easiest, yummiest, softest rolls. Go check it out. Derek smoked up the chicken leg quarters with his Traeger grill. I took off all the chicken, collected it in a bowl, and now we just have the bones and some meat still in there, and I drizzled in all the juices. And now we're gonna add our veggies because we're gonna make our own chicken stock with all of these bones. So I have the broth drained. I'm just gonna lift this up, shake out the rest of the broth, and then toss all this and get going on the soup now. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. Here's a big bowl of chopped salad. It has chopped cabbage, chopped romaine, pepperoni, cheddar cheese, cucumbers, celery, green onions. We're individually putting in bowls because some want the pasta and some don't. This ditalini pasta, and just adding it in. And we're gonna eat it with a hard-boiled egg. And they're gonna top it with their favorite dressing. And I'm also going to heat up Dell's pineapple and bacon chicken smoked sausage. They're amazing. So I'm now going to slice these up, put them in the salad. They're gonna put their favorite dressing on, and it's going to be delicious. I love this Seriously Good freezer meal cookbook. This is so good. I'll have a link down below for it as well. I have made quite a few recipes from it, and it is one of my favorites. And the recipe that I'm making out of this for this night's dinner is a Mongolian beef. So the big bag of leg quarters that I bought, I barbecued them all up. And then to go along with it, I made a watermelon salad. To the salad, I added cucumbers, blueberries, arugula, and then a vinaigrette, which was basically honey mixed with lime juice. This next recipe is so yummy, you guys. It's from the Six Sisters new cookbook, 6 ingredients. It's the Parmesan Orzo. I actually have made this again after I made it this night. It is that good. My family really loved it. Right at the end when it's done cooking, you hit it with some Parmesan cheese. Oh my word, so good. For this next week, I already have everything for the chicken Caesar salad, shrimp tacos, and I'll be making guacamole for the shrimp tacos, homemade pizza. So those recipes will stay on the list for this week's meals. Like I said, I mix and match how I menu plan. These 2 weeks, I just decided to pick the meals and get the ingredients. But I really do like to look at the sales flyer and see what's on sale and plan according to that. But the majority of the time, I'm already looking at what I already have in my freezer and in my refrigerator and pantry and base meals off of that. That is where you're gonna really save a lot of time and money. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate it.